Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get started when it comes to selling on Amazon and how the whole process works. So with selling on Amazon, there's two ways to do this. There's retail arbitrage and private label. I personally do private label, and it's what I recommend everybody to do when it comes to starting an Amazon business. Because when you do private label, you're not just selling on Amazon, but you're building a long-term business. So what you're doing is sourcing products from China, making a little bit more custom, adding your label onto it, and then sending it to Amazon's warehouse. Amazon pretty much does the rest from there, packs it, ships it, delivers it to the customer. You don't have to do anything like that of, dealing with the product. I never have the product here in my house or anything like that. It's always at Amazon's warehouse. And all I have to do is make sure the product is good, has reviews, is ranked on the first page. All that takes a lot more of learning. But I promise you, if you look at my videos, you will be able to do the same exact thing. All the content on here is for free for you guys. So if you want to learn, I have a ton of content. And if you have any questions of anything related to Amazon, leave a question down below. I'll answer it. And if it's a video I can make and help you guys out, I will. So the other thing, I do is private label, recommend it. The other thing is retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is when people do it as more of a side hustle rather than a business, and this is when they go to Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, look for Nike shoes or things on clearance and then try to resell them on Amazon. The only thing about this that I don't like is that years ago it was pretty good to do, but now it's a lot more strict. There's a lot more. Nike doesn't want this. A lot of the big brand stores don't want this because it undercuts them. So they want to make sure that of course the product is authentic, and you need to have authority to sell a Nike product or stuff like this. So you need authority from the brand in order to sell the product, and sometimes receipts don't cut it. So sometimes accounts get banned, especially if somebody leaves a bad review, you get returns. It's just a headache in the long run. But it is a little bit of a good side hustle, but I just don't recommend it because you run into a bunch of problems in the future, and sometimes it's just not worth it, in my opinion. Private label, on the other hand, I think it's an amazing thing, but of course you need to know the steps and process to get started with the whole thing. You can't just sell something that you have a passion about or anything like that. Let's say you have a hobby about, it's not gonna work. You wanna do that data research and find out what products that you can sell to make a high profit and to pretty much grow a long-term Amazon business. Let me show you guys here in front of me how to even get started with Amazon. So you want to go to sell.amazon.com and you want to open up your first account, and you can do it for free today. So you're gonna go to pricing here, and you're gonna go to standard selling fees, and you're gonna sign up as an individual. So you just go here and sign up as an individual, and it will be for free. You don't have to pay monthly as the professional, and that way you can get started with seeing the whole Amazon platform. Highly recommend you to do it and take that initiative to get started with Amazon, and that is what I would do just to get started, right? And then what you're gonna do next is Amazon product research. This tool is called Helium-10. It's what I personally use to pretty much get started with Amazon. And with this, I'm able to see how much I'm making. Let's go click on these profits here actually. And you can see how much I've been making today. It's still the morning, so it's pretty low. Yesterday's net profit, last 7 days, 8,000, 21,000 in sales, and last year 1.6 million with almost close to $500,000 in net profit, which is amazing to see. And yeah, this is what's really going to help you grow a long-term business. A tool like this is called Helium-10, and if you want to use Helium-10, I'll have it in the description down below as well as in the pinned comments. This is going to allow you to find that right product to start selling on Amazon. If you want to do Amazon product research, how you can find profitable products to sell on Amazon, I have a video card here or something you can click here, or the description down below, where it has a whole tutorial of Amazon product research and finding the perfect product to start selling on Amazon. You need to make sure it has a high profit margin. It's not in a competitive niche, In the video, I teach you all of that. It's all there for free for you guys. So if you ever have been interested in selling on Amazon and building a long-term business, getting it ranked on the first page, all that stuff is there for you guys for free. You can always check it out and learn. Like, there's a ton of free content on here to help you guys out. So you're gonna go to, there's another cool feature about this. So business valuation, it'll tell you how much your business is worth if you wanted to sell it, which is crazy amount. And then the tools, Amazon product research, which, like I said on my other video, it's a real long tutorial of how to find the perfect product to start selling on Amazon and how to get it sourced from China and all that stuff. So one listing that I like, that I always advise people to sell something very similar to this, is like this product, right? Eyelash extension glue. It's small and light, it's less than 3 pounds. Ideally, they usually sell it for $21. Right now it's on sale for $15. But why are they doing this? Is to get it ranked back on the first #1 spot. So when they do promos like this, the strategy is not just because they're being nice. No, it's because sales is what drives rankings with Amazon. So if you get a lot of sales on this product, Amazon's like, okay, everybody loves this product, we're going to put it back to the #1 spot. And that's exactly how they got their $106,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. This, you wouldn't expect somebody to be making $1 million with a product like this, right? What's crazy is that if you go here to their store and you click their store, you can see how much products they're selling. So this one, 10,000 units in the past month, 4,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. It's a crazy amount. If you click this little tool from Helium-10, you can click X-ray and you can see the revenue that they're making. So you can see $268,000, 106,000, 71,000, 52, 58, 32, 20. This is how much they're making monthly. They're $1 million business, literally selling lash shampoo, eyelash extension glue, just very simple products, and they're generating over $1 million profit every year selling these products. So you would need to do Amazon product research, which I show you guys in another video. And then you would need to find a product like this to have a high profit margin. So people might be wondering, how does Amazon fees work? Like, okay, let's say I find a product like this. How do I know how much I'm going to be paying Amazon and in Amazon fees for having the product in their warehouse? Let me help you guys out really quick here. So what I personally would do, if let's say you wanted to sell this product, right, for $21 or $19, right? Let's say you wanted to sell this exact product. You found it on Alibaba for $2 here, right? Let's say you found a really good product. You would want to go to, I already have it here for you guys, but I'm going to show you guys the step by step. So you would go on Google here and put Amazon FBA calculator. And then you would scroll down to sellercentral.amazon.com. Click that one here, sellercentral.amazon.com, which is like straight from the source of Amazon. Continue as a guest. Now you're going to look for the ASIN. The ASIN is the serial, like it's the code of the listing. You're just going to copy this ASIN here, paste it back here, and now you can see how much this person is paying in Amazon FBA fees. So you can see that they're paying $4.29 in Amazon fees for selling on the platform, and this is the shipping cost that they're paying, $3.68. So let's say we get this product for $2.50 and the shipping cost is 50 cents, which will leave us with a net profit of $10 and a net margin of 48%. This is how much you would be taking home after each sale that you do with Amazon, and these are the fees that you would be paying. Of course, there's a lot more to it, like how do I know if it's competitive or not, how to find that perfect product to start selling, how to, you might have a million questions, right? How to ship it from China to Amazon's warehouse. I literally made and tried to help you guys out with a free course to help you guys out with the whole process, literally for free, which it comes to Amazon product research, finding the perfect product, the do's and don'ts, what products to stay away from, what products to check out. It has a ton of information there for you, and there's nothing needed when it comes to signing up for this course. Like, you can literally click it right now, learn. There's nothing needed. You can literally do it all in 5 minutes and start learning step-by-step process. It's a beginner guide to help you guys out. That one's for free, and that one's to help you guys out and be completely transparent with you guys of everything. And if you wanted to take a next step and be like, make it a full-time income, I also have a more advanced course on there for you guys, which is $99 a month, but it's a lot cheaper than the courses that I see here on YouTube, which people are charging like $2,000. I try to make it a monthly subscription. That way you can finish it in a month and be done with it and learn the whole process of how to sell on Amazon. You can literally, if you're serious about it, you can learn in like 3 to 4 weeks. Find the perfect product to start selling, get it, get some samples of it, and then buy it, and then send it to Amazon's warehouse. It is a long process to do, but once you learn it and once you do the first shipment, it's gonna be a piece of cake. I mean, like, I highly recommend you to do it. Like, when I first started with Amazon, I didn't have that much money, or I didn't even know what to do. I took a leap of faith. I didn't know if it was gonna work, and I sold out of products like instantly. And what I did with that is I reinvested in the business, and I got the second product and the third product and the fourth product. So that's the same thing that I want for you. I want you to not look at it as a real quick business. I want you to look at it as a long-term business that you're going to be growing year after year. Like, for me, ideally, I see my business grow about 40 to 50% every year in profits. So I want you guys to do the same. What I try to teach everybody is that you want to look for small products, not something that's like very popular. I ideally like to see people that try to aim for profit margin of $250 profit per day to $300, and that's like a small product, and then get that money, reinvest it in the business. Now the second product is doing the same, so you're making like $500 profit per day, and then you reinvest it to a third product, and then you're making $600, $700, and you just keep it going from there. It's extremely doable. I've been doing this for a very long time, and yeah, I'm planning on selling one of these businesses and starting 2 more Amazon FBA businesses. If you have any questions regarding Amazon or learning Amazon, leave a comment down below. I'll try to help you guys out as much as I can. And yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe if you're new. This is a lot of information if you want to get started with Amazon, but I'm here to guide you and mentor you the whole way. So if you have any thoughts, any videos you want me to do, leave a comment down below. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.